Hello everyone. First of all, I will first of all I'm introducing myself. Hello. First of all, I'm introducing myself. My name is Rahul Singh and I am from Gorakhpur, UP. And I am a strong interest in OOPS, object-oriented programming languages, and some practical languages that that are used in our real life. And I'm also like those languages and knowledges. Uh, and I am also like to another concepts that use in our daily life. Basically, I am working on a project. Their name is uh, podcasting application, audio podcasting application. I think this is unique ideas because uh, by it I can earn money, and if we want to get more audience, so I can gain. And so first I first I am introducing to my application. Their name is Bookmanthan. Bookmanthan and is an Android application, and in this I am including some functions like audio, audio, quiz, notification, and many more systems I am already including. There is no single app. There are two apps. First, Bookmanthan, and second is Admin Panel. So, if you have arise a questions about Admin Panel, what is Admin Panel? So first I am told about that key. Admin Panel is basically a single application that used by a admin. Suppose that many users like students, group of students in our college, they install application, but the admin panel is especially for teachers. Their teachers can send notification and send quizzes, and send also uh, timetable. There is no authority to upload any unauthorized things by the users. So we have also discussed about two applications like bookmanthan, that is a user based application, and second one is admin panel, that is handled by admin. There may be uh, sorry, teachers, director, anything, but my application is different because in these applications teacher can teacher can send notification specific student, and they can mention dues as well as single student. And now we need to discuss what is different in to another application. So first first one is, this is private and secure, and second one is uh, there is it is free, not cost are added to the for purchasing of student. And third one is, teacher can upload videos for a specific student. Their student can access singly. And we are see another application there. If teacher send notification or send some information, there may be uh, publicly publicly visible. And this application is different to the this application is different to those applications. So now we have discussed some things about this application. So uh, this is my first and basic application. So I'm introducing my second application. There is podcast application. This sorry, this is podcast and audio based application there. So now I am telling about how to get mm so now we are discussing about why I need to create this application. So basically I told you this ideas is derived by my YouTube channel. There I am uploading some videos like literature related topics. And there my channel was demonetized due to some technical issue. And after that I thought ki I need to create another applications and specific applications for users. Through it I can earn money, because this up this opportunities is good for me. There when I uploading on YouTube videos, there is not give me money and not give me provide me any some YPP. So now I am telling about these functions, and now I'm telling about the functions and some features of my application. Now First of all, there is I'm using some notification system and notice system, and also I'm including user management system, and there is also we can say uh, multiple task management system. For this application is main important things audio system. There I am uploading audios and the user can access one by one, and it may be uh, group wise, or maybe uh, category wise. There may be story and drama and anything that can I manage it. Now, so I'm telling about how can I earn through it. So first choice is ad networking. If I want to including ad, so I can earn money through the ad. Their ad is integrated by the AdMob and maybe Unity ad. So this is first choice to monetize my application, and second one is paid plan. When I choose paid plan, so this is efficient for me because it is best for uh, fast income and fast paying system there. Okay, so second one is paid system. Their user can pay 199, 299, 599, something like that, and users pay the money. After that they can use freely, and they have not interrupted to it, because if they are paid they have not seen the ad, and if they are free that means they are unpaid. So they there are so many ads they need to watch. So now we have already discussed two things to earn earning opportunities, and now I am discussing about what is the good benefits for users. So first one is this is private, that I am told already. User can access the audios anytime, they can access quizzes anytime, and if users use my application they feel like uh, professional, and so skip it. Now we are discussing about something like quiz. There I am uploading daily quiz. If users are students, they are preparing some exams like UPSC and many like UGC net, they can access my application, then they get daily quizzes, and if they are attempt daily they check their eligibility and their knowledge. So if users are install my application they can they can have many opportunities. So this is quiz, and I am going to the next topic like mm, क्या है, सेकेंड सेकेंड कीज हो गई. So skip it, and we need to discuss what is next in this app. So if I have 1000 users, and at least 500 users uh, is paid, or maybe upgraded, so I can add on new features like storytelling videos. Through it they can learn easy, understand easy, and something like that. So this is my application overview, and now we need to stop these videos, because I think this video duration is almost 15 or 20 minutes, so we need to skip it. And we meet you to next we meet you with next videos. So thanks.